What if I told you that you can earn more than $5 in less than a second with the method that we will show you? And you can do this over and over again and earn $5 each time. Now watch as your bank goes larger and larger in value. Don't believe me? Then you should watch this video. This method that we will show you is perfect for beginners. You do not need to have a college degree, or you do not need to create a video or a website or your very own product. No need to create your own designs or blog posts or any other stuff. All you need is some time to learn this method, and you can do this again and again and earn money from it. This is 100% free. You do not need to avail yourself of any services or start an investment. You do not need any skills or prior experience. This method we will be showing you is beginner-friendly, and anyone can do it from any part of the world. This method is available worldwide, no restrictions or limitations, so you can start easily. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money by following this method. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning! Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website we will be using today to earn money is 5squid.com. 5squid is a freelancing website that people use to sell their services. Services such as researching, voiceovers, custom logo design, and many more. You can earn $5, $10, or even $20 just by using this website. As you scroll down, you can see people selling different services to people who need them. You can see that this person offers £5 for this type of service. If we convert £5 to dollars, you can earn more than $5 using this website. You can see that this person has already 908 reviews for his services. This means that he has already made almost £5,000 or almost $6,000 on this website. Now that's a lot of money. If we click this button on the side of the search bar, we can see all the categories available on this website. From graphics design to business and advertising, there are tons of services that you can do to earn money here. But what we are going to focus on today is the Others section. When we look at this section, we can see the category of Your Message On. Once we click this, we can see people from different countries offering services that place their clients' messages on different objects such as a snow-covered car or on the Walk of Fame or even on beach sign. One example that we can show you is this service. This person offers a service that puts their client's message on a snow-covered car. We can see here that this person offers £5 for every edit that they make. We can also see that 37 people already rated their services, which means that people pay real money to put their messages on a snow-covered car. If you scroll down, you can see the feedback of people that avail of this service, and you can see that they like it very much. Now that we know that people are willing to pay money to avail of this kind of service, this is what we will be doing today. A similar service wherein we put the message of a client on a picture. You must be asking, do we not need an expertise to edit or put a message into an image? The answer to that is no. This method we will be showing you does not require you to learn image editing. What you only need to do is to go to the specific website, and you can do this easily. Watch till the end and find out how. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So the next website that we will introduce to you is called hetamil.com. Hetamil is a website where you can edit words into a specific image. You can edit on Einstein's photo, Uncle Sam's picture, and even in Quaker's picture as well. For this video, we will be using Einstein's picture. To do that, we just click on the option Einstein, Chalkboard, and now we can start editing. We can see here a text box with some few words on it, and below is the preview of the image with the edited text. We can edit the text on this image by changing the words on the text box and clicking on the Change Image option. Now we will show you a real demonstration. For example, a client asks us to insert a message into Einstein's photo. The message is happy birthday, hope you have a wonderful one. Now what we need to do is to delete all the text on the text box and replace them with the client's message. Just copy and paste it on the text box and click the change image button. Once we do that, we can now see the client's message edited on this image. Once you do that, we can now save it. To save the image, we can right-click on the image and choose the Save Image As button. Then we just save it wherever we want on our computer and we are done. All we have to do now is to send it to the client and earn £5. This method is not limited to Einstein's picture. We can post another service saying that we can put the client's message on Uncle Sam's photo and even on Quaker's picture. That is a total of 3 services that you can post on 5 Squid. To edit Uncle Sam's picture, you can just click on Uncle Sam up here and you can edit the words on the picture. For example, we want to change the words into subscribe to this channel. Once you change the words, you can then click change image button and you can see that the text that you put is now on the image. The same thing that you can do on Quaker's image. So that's 3 services that you can do instantly in less than a minute. More services you can post means more chances that people will avail of your services. Now that you know how to do this method, all you need to do is sign up for an account on 5 Squid. All you have to do is click on the join button right here and just put in your email address and you now have an account. You can start posting this service and wait for people to buy them. You can earn $5 for every order that is placed. You can also do this on Fiverr. If you search on Fiverr Einstein Your Message On, you can see that there are 55 services available on this platform. You can also see that they are charging $5 for every picture and you can see people are willing to pay for them. You can also create an account on this website and post your services there so that more people will discover your offer and avail of them. And that is the method that we showed you today on making $5 in less than a second. You can do this again and again easily without any special skills or prior experience. All you need is the website Meal and you are good to go. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots and lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.